So guys, let's quickly label the diagram of a microscope. Let's start from the first part here. So this part is called the ocular lens. Ocular lens. It's also known as the eyepiece. Eyepiece. So it is this ocular lens that we look through. When you are with your microscope, the part you look through is called the ocular lens or eyepiece. And it also have a magnification of 10. A magnification of 10. So the next one here is body tube. It's called body tube. This part is called nose piece. Nose piece. What is the function of nose piece? Nose piece allow rotation of magnification, and it also holds the objective lenses. So this is the objective lenses, while this is the nose piece. So it is the nose piece that holds the objective lenses, and it allows rotation of magnification. So this is the objective lenses. Objective lenses. So objective lenses provide various levels of magnification. We have magnification of 4, magnification of 10, magnification of 40, magnification of 100. So these objective lenses, as this lens that you can see here, are having different type of magnification. This one can have 4, this one can have 10, and this one can have 40. They don't have the same level of magnification. That is why the lenses are not equal. So it is this nose piece that allow us to rotate. Assuming we are trying to view a diagram here, this is where we place it. So it is this nose piece that allow us to rotate. If we want to change it from 4 to 10, it is this nose piece that allow us to rotate it. So let's come here. This part is called rough adjustment knob. Rough adjustment knob. This part is also called fine adjustment knob. So this part is called the arm. The arm. When you want to carry a microscope, you don't just carry it anyhow. You hold the arm here and hold the base. So I'm still going to label this part. This is called the arm, while this is called the base. So when you carry a microscope, you carry only the arm and base. So when trying to study a specimen on the microscope, this rough adjustment knob is used for rough focusing. When you just want to quickly focus on an image, you use rough. So you just use it very fast. So for this second one, which is fine adjustment knob, this fine adjustment knob makes image very sharper and clearer and fine. So the next one here is, and I already explained that. So this part is called stage. Stage. While this part is called the stage clip. Stage clip. This is the part where we put the specimen that we want to view. We use these objective lenses to view them, and we put our eyes here to look through it. We put our eyes here to look through it. So this part is called the stage clip. This clip holds what? It holds the specimen placed on the stage. It holds the specimen placed on the stage. While this stage is where specimens are placed. If you want to view on your epidermis, like I mentioned earlier, you just place it here and you view it. You cover it with cover slip. The cover slip is always like this. So you just cover it with cover slip and you view it. So this part is called diaphragm. Diaphragm. What is the function of diaphragm in microscope? Diaphragm is the one that regulates the intensity of the light passing through the specimen. So this part is called the light source. Light source. It can be called light source, it can be called mirror, it can be called illuminator. So this light source, once the light passes through here to the specimen, it is the diaphragm here that regulates the light passing through the specimen. So this part, this is the last part, is called the base. When you want to carry microscope, I said it earlier, you hold the arm and the base to carry a microscope. So with this, you should understand all the parts of a microscope easily. By now, when you are asked to draw a microscope and to label it well, you should be able to do it seamlessly. So now we'll be discussing how to use a microscope and the care for microscope. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you like the video, share and subscribe as we continue.